Chicago. Honest, plain-spoken, modern and vibrant. A series of neighbourhoods bound together by an emerald necklace, and a history of pushing the boundaries of innovation and self-expression. The birthplace of modern architecture. It is time to define the future of one of the world's greatest cities as a progressively connected destination in a smart, connected world.
This brings two passions together. My personal passion for flight. For some 40 years, I've flown in and out as a pilot of international airports. That love affair with flight is also a love affair with cities. I remember coming to Chicago as a graduate and discovering the birthplace of the high-rise building, the energy, the extraordinary location, the music, the culture, the outdoor sculpture. So all of those influences all blend together in our proposal.
A new global terminal that will reflect the people of Chicago, open, democratic, proud. To make it possible, Chicago's greatest architects and engineers are combining their local expertise with the international experience of the world's most highly regarded design visionaries. By adhering to a traditional rational approach, we are able to integrate the new global hub with the existing terminals, creating new cutting-edge buildings and incorporating new technologies.
In 1991, we revolutionized airport design with Stansted. It had 36 columns. For O'Hare Global Terminal, we create another revolution. We use an extraordinary shell, a span of 550 feet, no columns, soaring internally, and an extraordinary view, a relationship directly with the airfield, with the aircraft, a great sense of orientation, a great sense of drama, spiritually uplifting.
The experience begins when you first encounter the 3 sweeping arches of the departure drop-off. Spectacular, dramatic, and unique. Enter onto an elevated level, nestled underneath. Cross the bridges into an incredible space, a theatre of aviation, flooded with natural light. Check-in desks and security are conveniently and spaciously located in the central area, allowing all routes through the building to be direct and seamless. This unique and beautiful feature forms a sweeping window onto the world, blurring the barriers between inside and out. A space that is free of obstacles, open and democratic. Home to world-class retail, restaurants, and airline executive lounges. The routes to the gates are simple to navigate and elegant in design. Domestic and international departures and arrivals have been intelligently planned. Every detail is designed with the experience of passengers at its heart. A reinvention of airport infrastructure. The next step in air travel.
Each generation of a terminal should reflect the technology of the day. So what we can achieve on O'Hare Global Terminal is only something that could be achieved today. A decade ago, it wouldn't have been possible. The height of technology, pushing the limits to create something which is generous, spacious, flexible, pointing to the future.
O'Hare Global Terminal, connecting the people to the city and the city to the world.